Number 1 says place parentheses in a different place in each problem and then solve. So for the first one, we have 4 times 8 minus 2. I'm going to put my parentheses around the 4 times 8, which means I have to do that first, and then minus 2. So 4 times 8 is 32, minus 2 is 30. So for the second one, I'm going to switch it, and I'm going to put my parentheses around the 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So as you see, depending on where you put the parentheses or any type of grouping symbol depends on how your answer is going to go. Number 2 says find the area of the rectangle. So you have 4.5 by 6. So if I were going to find the area, I would do 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. So we have 4.5 6 times. So first I'm going to add my whole numbers. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 24. And then I'm going to add my halves. Half plus half is 1. Half plus half is 1. Half plus half is 1. So that would be 3 wholes. 24 plus 3 is 27. So my answer for area is 27 square inches. Number 3 says write an expression for the number story. So an expression is a number sentence. Juno earned 140 points in a game. So we're going to start with 140. He lost half of the points and then earned 160 more. So he lost, meaning subtract half. So we have to take half of 140, or 140 divided by 2. And then he earned 160 more. Since he earned, it means we add. And since it's only asking for the expression or the number sentence, it means we don't actually have to solve it. All you need is the number sentence as shown. Number 4 says complete. 60 inches equals how many feet? So I know in 1 foot there are 12 inches. So if I have 60 divided by 12, I have 5. So my answer is 5 feet. B says 3 yards equals how many feet? So 1 yard equals 3 feet. So if I have 3 feet, or 3 yards, times 3 feet each, 3 yards equals 9 feet. The next one says 4 meters equals blank centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So if I have 4 meters, I would multiply 4 times 100, which is 400. And the last one says 2 miles equals blank yards. If I look in my reference book, I know 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. Since I have 2 miles, I have to multiply that by 2, and I would get my answer of 3,520. Number 5 says expression A is 458 minus 12. Expression B is 25 plus 458 minus 12. It wants you to check all that apply. So 458 minus 12, 458 minus 12. B is greater than A. So since 458 minus 12 and 458 minus 12 are the same, we add 25, we know B is going to be greater. B is twice as much as A. That would be times 2. It's just plus 25, therefore that is not correct. And the last one is B is 25 more than A. Since 458 minus 12 and 458 minus 12 are the same, we add 25 more. The last one is also correct. Number 6 says write a 5-digit number that has a 7 in the ones place an 8 in the hundreds place, a 4 in the 10,000s place, and a 0 in all other places. So here's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 7 in the ones place, 8 in the hundreds place, a 4 in the 10,000s place, and a 0 in all other places. So your answer is 40,807.